Hello, and today I'll show you how to set up all the unlocking methods on your iPad with 10th generation. So first of all, open up the settings. Now we have to find and touch in the passcode section. Let's enter our passcode. You see it requires it. If you already have your passcode entered, you can change it by pressing change passcode. Let's do it now. Let it be something like this. Change passcode. Enter it one more time. Use anyway. Okay, let's verify one more time. So you see, as easy as that. Now let's set up our Touch ID by selecting iPad unlock. Toggle it on. Now we have to use our fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the side of your device here, and the device helps you to find it. And now let's scan it several times, adjusting the position of the finger each time. Let's do it one more time. Touch it again. Touch it again. Okay, let's do it this way. Now our fingerprint is set. Press continue. Keep on doing that. Now our Touch ID is ready. This fingerprint can be used for unlocking our iPad. Press continue. Now to change the type of code, go back to passcode options. So here in the change passcode tab, press it again, enter your passcode, and here you can see passcode options. Press on it. So here you'll have 4 options: 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, and custom alphanumeric code. So select custom alphanumeric code to create a complex password, custom numeric code to create a random numeric code, and just a 4-digit numeric code for a simple 4-digit code. Enter your new code and confirm it. Let's do custom alphanumeric code. Let's call it iPad 1. Next. Use anyway. iPad 1. Press done. And now enjoy your new code. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.